This is one of the easiest way to get a toned abs and a strengthy body. If you want to get the abs you have dreamed before, then start doing it today, or you will lose the chance. You have 30 days. We promise you that you have 30 days and you will see the miracle. You want to do only 1 minute of plank every day and see the magic. When it comes to getting defined abs, it really comes down to only one thing: having low enough body fat levels to see them. We all have abs, but some of us are predisposed by our genetic makeup to store less fat on our stomachs. When having visible abs at a higher body fat percentage than other. So really, if you want to have rippling abs or even just a little abdominal definition, training will help, of course, but realistically, it comes down to being in a calorific deficit. There are many non-aesthetic benefits of planking. There are led to non-aesthetic benefits to have a strong core. They are great for your posture by increasing the strength in your core, back and chest. It is a lot easier to stop yourself hunching over and to keep your shoulders back and down. You also work your lower body and posture chain, as you need to use your butt muscle and thigh muscle to keep your leg off the ground. All you need to do is a minute of planking every day for a month. It's a 30-day challenge. We Healthy Hacks decide to give you a 30-day challenge. We didn't set a fixed time of a day. You can do what time you want. You don't need to do so hard. You have 30 days, so be patient. Start with a 10 seconds and next day 15 seconds and the next day 20 seconds. Like that, you can do the plank exercise. Being lying on the floor, take your elbows underneath your shoulders, forearms flat on the floor, tucking your toes underneath your heels. Lift your hips up the ground. Your glut should be in the line with the top of your back, no sagging down or piking towards the ceiling. Squeeze your guts as hard as you can, and the hardest part is to remember to do it. You want to make sure that you are all engaging all the muscles and you will feel more energized and somehow you earn afterwards. At the starting it will be good, but you nearly forget to do it. So make sure to think about squeezing your glutes, pressing up across your shoulders and holding your core tight. Then at the 30th day you will see the miracles. We believe in you. You can do everything you want and it will happen.